AI plus B. Find AI plus B. This is the combination of multiplication and addition. Different multiplication and subtraction is still the same thing. And for A, what I need first is AI. AI is equals, what is my A? A is 3, 2, 1, then 5. Then I, which matrices is this? Is 2 by 2 matrices. Is 1, 0, 0, 1. Then I'll find the way to multiply the two. You have AI is equal to, like I've said in the previous video, how do we multiply? We multiply the rows by the first and the second column. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 0 is 0. The same row, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 times 1 is 2. I'm done with the first row. The second row, 1 times 1 is 1 plus 5 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 5 times 1 is 5. Have this AI now is equal to 3 plus 0 you have 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 here is 1 here is 5. Which means that it shows that there is what properties here that shows that what AI is still sitting as A. It means that AI is sitting as A. So now AI equals B now. AI plus B. What is AI? AI is 3, 2, 1, 5. Then plus B. B is 1, 0, 5, 8. Then we have AI plus B is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 8 is 13. This is the answer to the first question. Then the second question says that what? Second question says that B, we have to find ABI. ABI is what we are looking for. We have to find AB first. AB is equals to A is 3, 2, 1, 5. Then B is 1, 0, 5, 8. Then if you want to multiply rows by column. This multiplied by this 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 5 is 10. The same row, use it to multiply the second column. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 times 8 is 16. Then the second row now, 1 times 1 is 1 plus 5 times 5 is 25. Then the same row multiplied by the second column. 1 times 0 is 0 plus 5 times 8 is 40. So we now have AB is equals to 13, 16, 26 are what? 40. This is AB. But the question said that was find ABI. ABI. And remember that there is properties that's what? AI is same thing as A. Even if you see AB times R is still what? AB. But let's see. Let's do it together. We have AB is 13, 16, 26, 40. Then I for 2 by 2 is 1, 0, 1. So we have ABI is equal to 13 times 1 is 13 plus 16 times 0 is 0, 13 times 0 is 0 plus 16 times 1 is 16. Then I have used the first row. The second row now, 26 times 1 is 26 plus 40 times 0 is 0. Then 26 times 0 is 0 plus 40 times 1 is 40. If you check it, we are going to have 13 plus 0, we have 13. 13. 0 plus 16 is 16. 26 plus 0 is 26. 0 plus 40 is 40. This is second question. Then the third question says that what? A squared, I squared. A squared, I squared. A squared, I squared. So what we are going to do is A square, we have to find A square first. What is A? A is 3, 2, 1, 5. Into two places, that is what? 3, 2, 1, 5. So A square is equals to 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 times 1 is 2, 1. The same row is multiplied the second column. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 times 5 is what? 10. I'm done with the first row. Then second row, 1 times 3 is 3 plus 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 5 times 5 is 25. So we have this. We now have a squared is equals to 9 plus 2 is 11, 6 plus 10 is 16, 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 25 is 27. This is what I have as a squared. Then, but the question say what? A squared, I squared. We have to find I squared as well. I squared is equals to 1001, 1001. Now have I squared is equals to 1 times 1 is 1 plus 0 times 1 times 1 is 1, 0 times 0 is 0, comma 1 times 0 is 0 plus 0 times 1 is 0, then 0 times 1 is 0 plus 1 times 0 is 0, then 0 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. So we now have I squared is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, which means that I squared is same thing as what? I again. So, but we need what? I squared, A squared, I squared, which means we are going to multiply this one and this. This is equation 1 and what? Equation 2. We have to multiply the 2. So, we have A squared, I squared. What is A squared? A squared is 11, 16, 8, 27. 11, 16, 8, 27. Then I squared is 1001. So we have A squared, I squared is equals to 11 times 1 is 11 plus 16 times 0 is 0, comma 11 times 0 is 0 plus 16 times 1 is 16. I'm done with the first row. Then the second row, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 27 times 0 is 0. Then 8 times 0 is 0 plus 27 times 1 is 27. So we have A squared, I squared is equals to 11 plus 0 is 11, 0 plus 16 is 16, 8 plus 0 is 8, then 0 plus 27 is 27 as the final answer for the second, third one. Then the fourth one, we have BC plus 2I. Very, very easy. BC plus 2I. You have to find BC first. And that is B. BC. So equals what is B? B is 1058. Then C is 1234. So BC is equals to 1 times 1 is 1 plus 0 times 3 is 0, comma 1, the same row again. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 4 is 4. Then the second row now, 5. So times 1 times 1 is 1 plus 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 4 is 0. So now 5 times 1 is 5 plus 8 times 3 is 24. Then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 8 times 4 is 32. So this is what we have for BC. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 24 is 29, 10 plus 32 is 42. This is BC. So, but what you need is what? 2I plus BC. BC plus 2I. We have to find 2I. 2I is equals to 2 open bracket. What is I? 1, 0, 0, 1. What you need to do is to multiply each member by 2, 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 1 is what? 2. We have 2, 0, 0, 2. So, for us to get BC plus what? BC plus 2I. BC plus 2I is equals to our BC is this 1, 2, 29, 42. Then plus 2I. 2I is 2, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2. We have BC plus 2I is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 0 is 2, 29 plus 0 is 29, 42 plus 2 is 44. This is the final answer for the question. Thank you and peace out.